Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to unblock someone on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Snapchat if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the place where you can see your friends, the stories and everything. In the bottom right corner, you can check out Spotlight where you can check out videos. And the other options are your camera, your friend list, and your location. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and how to unblock someone on Snapchat. So first of all, what you need to do is go and open the, of course, Snapchat application. Then tap on your profile icon. So basically it is your bit emoji, or your emoji, that your avatar, or however you want to call it, that you already made on Snapchat. Then when you do that, just go to settings, scroll down and tap on blocked people. Then find the user that you of course want to unblock. So basically that you not want to be blocked anymore, and tap the X next to their name to unblock them. Then immediately they will be unblocked, and you can of course, if you want, block them again and they will be again there. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.